So I'm back on the XJS windscreen repair. Since the last video, I've now got the dashboard out and I've opened up all these areas. I've got access right in the back underneath there, so this will be good to get that section out. This piece here, the water's been getting in. On the inside it's okay, not on that outside of the skin. It's corroded and holed, so that's been letting water in down the back of the dashboard and on top of the radio. Also, I've now received repair panels from Paul XJS Panels, and they'll fit quite nicely. I will have a bit of work to do here, particularly on the passenger side, as that piece is missing. Paul supplied these repair sections for the gutter as well, so that should save a lot of effort for me. So I'm just going to crack on now and make an attempt on that bit behind the windscreen wiper